How well do you know Bangladesh? Bangladesh, known as the country of rivers, is home to the Bay of Bengal, the largest bay in the entire world, and 700 rivers flow in this country. Bangladesh is ranked 8th in the world in terms of population. This beautiful country has the third largest Muslim population in the world. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka, which is also known around the world as the City of Masajid. The current population of Dhaka is around 18.2 million. The global non-political movement Dawat-e-Islami is actively spreading the teachings of Quran and Sunnah all around the world, including Bangladesh. From March 6th to 8th, 2019, Wednesday to Friday, Dawat-e-Islami is organizing a monumental 3-day gathering for the Muslims across Bangladesh. This spiritual gathering will be held at Civil Aviation Ground near Hajj Camp Airport in Dhaka, Bangladesh. You are also requested to participate in it and bring your friends, reap its blessings and invite others as well.